What's up, guys? It's October 2nd, 2024. Had a sideways day in the market. We had a gap down with three good looking bars, but it reversed. I got chopped up EOD right here. That TTR. So where are we? Daily 45-minute chart. Super sideways on the 45-minute. That's rough. Got a breakout. We're channeling. What day is this? On the 30th, we broke a low. Yesterday we made another low, and today we made a new low. So that's three pushes down. Where is this line? Coming close to this breakout point. This was a bad breakout bar. Is this enough for bulls to get a second leg higher? Or are we at the top of a trading range and bears gonna get a second leg lower? Or do we just go sideways for a while? Going sideways right now. Pretty tough markets if you ask me. We got trapped. So I'll talk about a little bit about the price action and what trades I just saw and why I took them. I'm going to try and just focus on channels and second legs and trades and just how I read the price action. I know I've been switching up a lot, but I'm trying to find my groove and consistency with trading and then correlate these videos to that. And I've had pretty much a better time trading second legs instead of breakouts. And I can go into that in a little bit of detail here in a second. Well, you see why. The reason it's because it's a high probability is because I'm joining the momentum instead of looking for the momentum. So what do I mean by that? Let's say I would previously take bar 10 and then I would see bar 11 and reversal I have to hit out and then see 12 and go. Rather now, I'll wait for a price action like this and then I'll buy somewhere here, and scalp something like that. So I'm joining the momentum. Making less for sure, but it's more consistent. Second legs are the highest probability setup in the stock market, from what I understand. Stock market's a broad term, but if you think about it, I mean, breakouts are fundamental for all stocks. So why wouldn't second legs be? Because what is a second leg, right? It's a breakout. Traders see the second. There's a breakout. Okay, hold on. A second leg. It's a break. So that's a breakout. Traders see the second leg. Excuse me. This is the first leg. Traders see this first leg and they're trapped out. So they want to join. They need to get in a pullback. Traders that got short here are trapped and they want to pull back to short the high and get out at 50%. That causes a pullback. This pullback is enough for trap traders to get out, so they buy back their longs. For traders like us who are just day trading and we want to catch the momentum, we can join the momentum, and then the people who are the institutions who bought the breakout compress their positions. So there's three types of traders when they trade second legs, and it's the highest probability setup. And for that reason, that's what I'm going to be driving my focus towards. And I think it will be beneficial for everyone. So let me know what you guys think about that. We have a gap down, and then we have 3-bar micro channel. I think this micro channel is pretty strong enough for like 2, and that's how I got trapped here and around here. I was hitting it pretty fast, so it was a bad red. Sell off ended up being kind of climactic. Where are we within this? Where did bar 3 end up selling off? Well, we're in this bear channel, and it looks like we sold off to the bottom and then reversed to the top, and then we went sideways. So failed breakout of a bear channel. Bar 4, strong bull bar, creates a gap that ultimately stays open for the whole day. Bar 6, pullback from bars 4 and 5. Bar 7 races up, tests the EMA. Bar 8 is an inside bar trapping. I think I got trapped here, but I hit out pretty fast. I think a lot of people got trapped here looking for a second leg down, thinking this was the high of the range. However, this led to a bears that market ordered here didn't have a chance to get out unless they went short here. They go short here, they short higher, they get out at breaking on the first short and they make money on their second, they scalp entry on their second short. They buy back shorts right here, and that causes bar 12. Okay, so now we got higher lows when we got a bull channel. I think this is good enough for a second leg. Bar 11 also ended up being a trend line break. That's what ultimately made me flip from short to long, is when bar 12 started to reverse higher. I was like, okay, we have a breakout spike in channel. think this is a good buy. It's tough though. It's a lot of overlap, and you're gonna have to scalp out pretty fast. 13, 14, 15, and then 16 vacuums higher. Look at 6. Is that 16? Yeah, look at 16 in correlation to the last couple bars. You have a breakout bar that gets follow through it. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. 16 is the biggest, nicest looking bar since the breakout bar. Since bar 4, 16 is the nicest bar, so there could be climactic price action. 17, bears are waiting to get short from here. Strong bar. I actually bought the close of this for a scalp higher. I thought this was a bear trap. It ended up being a bear trap because it had a bad close, bad follow through. We have bull pressure testing the breakout point. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. Now we have a wedge top. I think it's safe to get out of longs around 28, 29, 30. If you bought this, you had a chance to buy more and get out here. That's enough selling pressure to cause a few legs lower. We're trading at the higher range. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, sideways. And now the bulls are strong enough for a leg 1 or second leg, and I think the bears are strong enough for a second leg. When both sides are strong enough for a second leg, that's when the market starts to go range bound. That's what we got here. Most of the day was range bound. We just didn't know it until about bar. Well, I mean, it depends how fast you're reading. So look, it was mostly range bound today. Kind of tough price action. We've been in a contracting triangle. So maybe something's going to happen overnight, maybe in the daytime session. That's breakout mode with bearish pressure coming down. So we have a bear. The momentum is getting slingshotted. And we'll see who gets trapped by pushes. So interesting to see. Triangle sucks. What are the trades I took today? So I took a couple trades. I took 6, 7. So I took 6, scalped out. Took 7, scalped out. Took 11, scalped out. 2 losses, 1 winner. Reversed, and I scalped out around here. Made back my losses, and then I started to get trapped around here. I shorted all the way down. I got out for 1 tick on 48. Got trapped. Instead of getting out of a bad trade, excuse me 1 second. Instead of getting out of a bad trade, I averaged down. And that's what hurt me. I got out on a 53, pretty big contract size. And I went short again on 60, thinking we'd test the lows, and then I got trapped twice. So, pretty bad. I'm going to try and talk about more of my trades and more channels and things like that. Let me know what you guys think. I'm still using gaps, so it's very important. Gaps closed today, so we're in a range. Strong channel should get second leg, so the idea is to get good at reading channels and then frame a trade around that. Couple trades a day, get consistent with a very high probability setup, and just start playing it like that and get some good momentum going into next year. Still haven't got paid out. Training on sim with Top Step. We'll see how it goes. I like Top Step, so let me know what you guys are up to and how you guys are doing. Here's all the gaps that got closed. The bull gap stayed open. So there's some bullish pressure. Actually, I was looking at the EOD session. Yeah, they ripped up. So we'll see the open. It opens in about 20-30 minutes. Go grab a bite to eat, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. Thank you for your time and support. Hope you guys had a good trading day. Have a good one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.